How to install WhatsApp Messenger on your new iPhone. Open your App Store and go to the search bar and just search WhatsApp. WhatsApp. Then you can see WhatsApp Messenger and WhatsApp Business as well. If you want to set up WhatsApp Messenger, press on download, and if you want WhatsApp Business, then press on this icon. Then it will be a download within a couple of seconds. Wait a couple of seconds to complete the download process. And once download complete, press on open, then agree terminal complete, and you have to enter your phone number now. Press on next. Then if you already have a backup, you can restore a backup from your iCloud or iTunes or any backup. So it's now restoring. Once done, press on next. Now allow your contact, allow all, then press on next, press on continue. Make sure your username and logo as well. Now not now your messenger is coming here. Now you can enjoy your WhatsApp. So that's it. Don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day.